Guys, ngicela sincokoleni ne singalwini, ninganilwisi. Anatata. Like I'm a parent away from being an orphan. So ningandilwisi. Sincokoleni nje kamandi. Awugayi. Do y'all know why some celebrities, if not all, and the so-called influencers zingakwazi ukukhomenta kwi-sensitive issues like much things that affects the country? Let me tell you, yingoba thoughts zabo and their opinions are owned by brands, right? Where am I going with this? Dibukele inqwaba yezitshis and videos where I noticed how hurt people are and how disappointed they are in Anele Mngadi. Right. And ndiyazibuza uba nifike nini ngoku apho? Nifike nini apho? Because the only time you are disappointed in someone is when you had high expectations of that person. So nifike nini apho? Anele came here, told her story. Y'all chose to believe her. No questions asked, no background check. You followed her blindly. Now, into endiyinotisayo ke ngoku kwizinto ezifana nezi is that umntu uza apha nestory sakhe. Nimbelieve, nimsupporte, nimfollowe, put her on a pedestal, and have high expectations of that person. And not only that, you go as far as convincing yourselves that you own her thoughts and her opinions. Ngoku Anele comes here, gives her honest opinion, glento ye match to match, a different opinion, something that y'all didn't want to hear. But again, it is her honest opinion. Suddenly, y'all are mad, y'all are angry with her, y'all are disappointed in her, y'all are hurt. It is her honest opinion ekugqibeleni, and so far, umntu nomntu is giving the opinion yakhe kule matter. Into ke ngoku endifuna sincokole ngayo. Kutheni le nto nithanda ungena kwizinto nge-emotions? Because ngoku nibuyela kwi-stories ka-Anele and you are questioning i-loopholes kwi-stories ka-Anele. Why now? Why only now? Kana ni question ubana why ezawuthi ethe urichi afune ama-donations from people? Why ezawuthi ethi urichi athengise i-product? Why ezawuthi ethena urichi athengise izikipa? Kana nibuza ngoku. And kukhona ni dissector istory sakhe and questioning things that you were supposed to question back then, but back then you chose not to, but to believe her. Andini understand, andiniqondi kakuhle. Ithini into yakho yenu? Are you hurt because you thought you owned her opinions? Are you thought because you had high expectations of her? Do you know how much of a pressure you were putting on her? Ngumntu naye. You can't have high expectations on another person. You are putting so much pressure on that person. They are humans. So ndiyarhalela sike sincokole nje, ndiyarhalela sike sincokole. Ndiyayazi bana nithe back then ngala series yase Standard Bank nacela ma honest opinion, but I I decided to distance myself. I had my reasons. But ngoku ndi-interested man ngoku, now that you're the niyakuwisha kakuhle kakuhle, hayi anikugowishi, niyafokova njengoba ke ndiyibona icountry imuruka kangaka. Anaskisi